Hi everyone, welcome to day 8 of my 12 Days of Kandi challenge. And today I was originally going to make a cross, but I've already made a cross before and decided there wasn't really anything I could do to make it look different. So I am going to make some Christmas lights instead. I think it was on Instagram. I posted a photo of some beads and Miss Amanda asked me if I was going to make some Christmas lights, and I figure why not. Okay, so I have about 4 feet of fishing line, which is probably more than I need. Okay, and I'm going to start with the green beads to make the base. Okay, I'm going to add 4 beads. Then I'm going to cross. Okay, so I'm holding, both strings are coming out of that one bead. My left hand, I'm going to put 3 beads. And then I'm going to cross. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. And then this is my neighbor bead. So I'm going to pick up my neighbor. And then on my left string, I'm going to add 2 beads. And I'm going to add, sorry, before I add, I'm going to pick up my neighbor right here. Pick up my neighbor. And then on the left string, I'm going to add 2 beads. I'm going to push the beads in this way because I'm right-handed, so it's just easier if I do it this way. So I'm going to pick up these 2 beads right here. So I'll pick up this neighbor and this neighbor, like that. And I'm going to add 1 green bead. And I'm going to cross. Crossing. Okay. So I'm done with the green beads. I'm going to use the purple beads now. And this is the top view. So my string is coming out of this bead. So all of these are going to be my main beads. These 3 are my neighbors right now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first I'm going to add 4 purple beads onto my left string. It's a weird one right there. 4 purple beads, and I'm going to cross on that last bead. Okay, so let's see. Oh no, I went the wrong way. So see, now my neighbor is this bead, right? But I don't like working that way, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flip the beads over like that. So now I'm working in this direction. It's just easier for me being right-handed. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this green bead right here. And I'm going to add 3 purple beads. Okay. And here's my next neighbor right here. I'm going to pick up that bead. And I'm going to add 3 beads and cross. And then my last one, I'm going to pick up this green bead and, whoops, green bead. And I'm also going to pick up this first purple bead. Okay, so I picked up these two right here. So I have 3 on it right now, 3 on the string. And then on the left string, I'm going to add 2 purple beads. So it looks like this. So for my my first part right here for the green, they all have 4 beads on them. And then for the purple row, or the purple loop, I have 5 beads, including the green. So this is 5 and that's 5. Okay, so now that I'm here, I'm going to pick up the right bead. I'm going to pick up my neighbor. Okay, like that. And then my left string, I'm going to add 3 beads. Okay. I'm going to pick up 2 neighbors. 1, so that's the bead next door. And then I'm going to pick up this neighbor right here. So now I have 3 beads on the string, and I'm going to add 2 beads. Okay, I'm going to pick up 2 neighbors. So those are the 2 next beads. And then I'm going to add 2. And then here, I'm going to pick up 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to pick up 3 neighbors. It's the 3 beads that are sticking out. 1, 2, 3. Hello. So now I have 4 on my string right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in order to make a loop of 5, I just add 1 bead, and I'm going to cross. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do right now, let's see. Okay. I'm going to pick up the neighbor. Okay. So I'm picking up the neighbor. So my string is coming out of these 2 beads right here. 1, 2. And this is going to be the front of my light bulb, and it's coming out of here. So that looks good. And then I just want you to see, where's my stick? Okay, these 2 right here, okay? These 2 are important after this step. Okay, so on my left string, I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, okay? Now this time when I cross, I'm not going to cross through one. I'm going to cross through all 3 of these. See what that looks like. Yeah. Okay. Starting to kind of looks like a grape. Okay. But I think if I add a point here, yeah, that's going to look like a light. Okay. So I'm going to take my right string here. And do you remember the 2 purple beads that I called out earlier? Those are the 2 that I'm going to pick up. So that's right here. 1, 2. So I picked up those 2 loose beads that were on the opposite side. And now I'm going to string this string through the 3 beads right here. And this is what it should look like right now. Looks pretty good. Seriously, it looks like a grape. I guess I should look at it from this side, yeah. I noticed that there's like a hole right here, right? So I'm going to fill that with beads because I want my light to be nice and fat and chunky. So I have a bead on my right and I'm going to pull it through this bead right here. That's a good one, I think. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to pull and put a bead on this, and I'm going to pull it through this one right here. Okay, and I think that looks good as for a little light bulb. What do you think? I'm just gonna tie this off. I'm gonna string through here just to meet this guy over there. So I'm going through all my neighbors. Hello, hello. And yeah, that's good. So now my strings are meeting right here. They're having a little meeting. I'm going to tie this off. I have way too much string. Like this is just way too much string. But that's okay. I'd rather have more string than less string. But too much, it does sometimes, it just gets in the way. So I'm gonna tie that off. I'm gonna add some nail polish. Seal that knot. Okay. I think this looks really cute. I like how it turned out. And I'm just I'm gonna cut the string, so I'm gonna pull it through here because I want to hide the cut a little bit, at least attempt to. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the string, and this is my light bulb. I really like the way it turned out. I'm going to make some more light bulbs in different colors, and then I will come back and string them together. So here are all the lights in all the different colors. I don't know if I'm going to take some string and just connect them all together, or maybe I'll just put pony beads between all of them. Or I might even just hang each light separately on the tree. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what they all look like together. Thanks for watching. Bye.